We put some on the, here, oh, in the shapes. But not too much. Oh, because you have to put something on the top pa. Smile ka muna, be. Kuya tingin ito, be.